Welcome, everyone is a Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from the SIM card to your device. So to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app, which is located right here for me. Once you open it, tap on the three dots right here and go into Manage Contacts. And the second option you should see is Import and Export Contacts, so choose that and then choose Import. Disregard the fact that it says from vCard, because when you tap on it, you'll have options to change it so you can import it from your SIM card. So once you tap on the SIM card, it will open up all the contacts that are located on the SIM, and you can then select each one that you want by, for instance, tapping on them like so. So you can choose all of them, or for instance only one. And once you're satisfied with all the ones that are selected that you want to import, tap on Done. Then you have the option where you want to import it. So you have two options. Those options will only be visible if you are logged into Google. So that goes only for the Google account, which you can basically export it to your Google. Now, if you're not logged in, only the phone will be visible, so you can then tap on it. Now this is complete matter of preference. What it will do if you export it to Google is whenever you log in to a different device with your Google account, the same one, this contact will appear after you log into it. It will basically sync all the contacts that you have on that account. So you could also save all of your contacts to your Google, and then you don't need to hustle with basically copying the contacts from your SIM. Okay, but for this purpose, we're just using the phone. So once it's selected, tap on Import, and we're basically done. So if we go back now, we should see a couple elons. So there is one. So yeah, so that is basically how you would import contacts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.